Hi, the ColorLogic Starter Kit is designed for our offset customers so they can try before they buy. It's a combination of our test form with our best silver ink so the printer can produce it on their press. And with the test form that we provide, it's 2 pages, very simple design. It shows all of our effects, and then we have a QR code that you can use a smartphone to see how we created each of those effects. It also demonstrates 21 of our 924 colors, metallic colors, I should say. And then on the second page, we actually show you some applications for the ColorLogic system and our best silver ink. We also have image effects. We can add metallic into images, so there's a QR code. We can show you security effects, and we have one over here for our patterns. Again, it's a very simple design that you can run on your press so you can show your clients what's possible. With the starter kit, you can buy it with 1 or 2 cans of ink, so again, so that you can print it on your press before you buy. If you happen to have metallic stock, such as this, we also provide you a file so you can print that. You submit that back to us, we'll give you a review of it, and then if you want to move forward, you'll become a certified licensed printer.